The polls, forms, and surveys website that I use to create my survey is Google Forms. I use Google Forms just because it's easiest and most compatible. I already have a Google account set up, so it links that all together. And it's just very easy and simple to use while still looking good. Here you can see you type your title up top right here, and then you can give a description, and then you start writing your questions. And Google Forms makes it very easy to write questions just because they give you a number of options to put your questions in and to put your answer choices in. So you can do multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, linear scale, grids, all that. Over here on the side, it's very easy. You can add a question, continue to add titles, as well as add images and even videos. So once you have all the questions you want and have all your answers filled in, you can hit this preview button, and it'll give you a preview and a quick look of what your viewer will see when you send them your survey link right here. And then after you do send your link out and people complete your survey, there's a responses tab. And the responses tab is really nice because it's very well categorized and put together, and Google Forms does this all for you. So they'll put your data into an appropriate graph or chart or so forth. So here you see there's a bar graph for the people that have filled out my survey. There's some bar graphs, and then you get down here into some pie charts and stuff like that. So it fills it out very nicely, and it's all in here for you to see, and it's saved in your Google Drive since it's a Google thing. So that's pretty much the forms website I used, Google Forms.